Hello friends, welcome to Steno Aspirants. Let's start the dictation in 5 seconds. Pollution is a term which even kids are aware of these days. It has become so common that almost everyone acknowledges the fact that pollution is rising continuously. The term pollution means the manifestation of any unsolicited foreign substance in something. When we talk about pollution on earth, we refer to the contamination that is happening of the natural resources by various pollutants. All this is mainly caused by human activities which harm the environment in ways more than one. Therefore, an urgent need has arisen to tackle this issue straightway. That is to say, pollution is damaging our earth severely, and we need to realize its effects and prevent this damage. In this essay on pollution, we will see what are the effects of pollution and how to reduce it. Pollution affects the quality of life more than one can imagine. It works in mysterious ways, sometimes which cannot be seen by the naked eye. However, it is very much present in the environment. For instance, you might not be able to see the natural gases present in the air, but they are still there. Similarly, the pollutants which are messing up the air and increasing the levels of carbon dioxide is very dangerous for humans. Increased level of carbon dioxide will lead to global warming. Further, the water is polluted in the name of industrial development, religious practices, and more will cause a shortage of drinking water. Without water, human life is not possible. Moreover, the way waste is dumped on the land eventually ends up in the soil and turns toxic. If land pollution keeps on happening at this rate, we won't have fertile soil to grow our crops on. Therefore, serious measures must be taken to reduce pollution to the core. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. After learning the harmful effects of pollution, one must get on the task of preventing or reducing pollution as soon as possible. To reduce air pollution, people should take public transport or carpool to reduce vehicular smoke. While it may be hard, avoiding firecrackers at festivals and celebrations can also cut down on air and noise pollution. Above all, we must adopt the habit of recycling. All the used plastic ends up in the oceans and land, which pollutes them. So remember to not dispose of them off after use, rather reuse them as long as you can. We must also encourage everyone to plant more trees, which will absorb the harmful gases and make the air cleaner. When talking on a bigger level, the government must limit the usage of fertilizers to maintain the soil's fertility. In addition, industries must be banned from dumping their waste into oceans and rivers, causing water pollution. To sum it up, all types of pollution is hazardous and comes with grave consequences. everyone must take a step towards change, ranging from individuals to the industries, as tackling this problem calls for a joint effort. So we must join hands now. Moreover, the innocent lives of animals are being lost because of such human activities. So, all of us must take a stand and become a voice for the unheard in order to make this earth pollution free. Stop. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में होगा. थैंक यू.